Hi everyone, welcome back to today's Python tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to use the Turtle graphics library to draw a Christmas tree with a star on a top. So let's get started. So first, we import the Turtle library and call it T to make our code shorter and easier. To import Turtle as T. Basically, this is the alias of this Turtle. You can take anything. In alias name. So now let's see what happens next. Now basically set our window t dot setup and 800 600. This line set up the drawing window. It's 800 pixel width and 600 pixel height, giving us space to draw our tree. So add the comment set the window and title. So simple t dot title and Happy New Year. We give the window title. We are calling it Happy New Year to match our festive season. Now also we set our background color of window to t dot set BG color. Select the color red. In this line we set the background color to red to create a cheerful holiday mood, and set the turtle shape. Set the turtle shape or pointer to draw. So t dot shape, and in the single string we use turtle. We also change the turtle shape to look like a turtle. This is a little pointer that will do all the drawing. Okay. Now t dot fill color, and our color is forest green, and pin up. T dot pin up. Now we are ready to draw the tree, which is forest green for the tree color, and pin up comment. Here the turtle pen will move without drawing. Now t dot go to -180, comma -180. We move the turtle to the starting position at the bottom left of the tree. This position is at -180 and -180. Then t dot pen down. Here turtle will move and draw the line. Now t dot begin fill, and we set the tree coordinates. Now we use begin fill to tell the turtle to start the filling the shape, and the turtle moves to draw the tree like this. I'm using some coordinate, so just copy the coordinate, C, copy and use the coordinate. Okay. So simple. Here I add the comment, move the T starting location, okay, and pen down, okay, this walking, and till to start filling the shape. Start from here. Okay. begin fill, and now give the coordinate. Give the coordinates. T dot go to. We use go to for give the coordinate. So go to 0 minus 220. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. Keep in your mind. T dot minus 180, comma. The simple copy paste and use. Second is minus 180 and this is a plus 180 and minus 180. Minus 180. Okay. Then again go to minus 7 minus 180. Now minus 260. Okay, y-axis. This is the first line, this is the second line, this is the third, fourth and fifth. In my sixth line, T dot go to minus 7 minus after 260 minus 180. Okay. Seventh line minus 180 minus 180 minus 180 and minus 180. Okay. So in T dot infill, T dot infill here 0 to 200 for the top of the tree, then 182 minus 180 from the bottom right, and finally 7 minus 180 to minus 180 and minus 180 for the base, the turtle finishing by going back to the starting point. Infill fills the tree with green. Okay, now run the code. So it's working, but we need to change something. So just 0 to 220 minus 180 to minus 180, 7 to minus 180, 7 to minus 260, 7 to this is a minus 7 to minus 260. 1 minute. This is a minus 7. It will be minus 7 to minus 260, minus 7 to minus 180, and minus 180 is maybe it's working. So run the code again. Okay, our code is working, and draw perfect tree. Now we'll draw star. Now draw the star. T dot fill color. Our star color is yellow, so we select the yellow color. Yellow. Move the start position. Now it's time to draw the star. We change the color to yellow and move the turtle to the top of the tree. So just simple. We use pen up, T dot pen up. Pen up. Then T dot go to 0, 260. T dot pen down, or the now draw the coordinate. So simple. T dot begin fill, and simple we use T dot go to 11, 230, 40, again 230, 16, 211, then 26 x2, 181, y. Now 0x 2 minus 200. No, not a minus, only 200. Okay, 200 is a y axis. Now minus 26, 2 minus 181, and minus 16, 2 minus 181. This time only minus 211. Okay, again minus 40, 2 minus 230, 230, minus 11, minus 230, and again 0 to minus 260, 260. Then T dot and fill. Okay, so we create the star shape and we use in dot fill to fill it with yellow color, and finally we call T dot done to keep the window open so we can see our drawing. Okay, so now this is a runtime. Okay, so finally this is not a simple tree, this is Christmas tree in end of 2024.